Hello, welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm Savannah Sue, and my first video I want to teach you how to apply fake eyelashes. A more natural kind of way, because that's how I like to wear them personally. My favorite eyelashes to use are these Ardell Naked Lashes. My favorite is the 422, but the 424 is also really good. It's more volume, and then my favorite ones are like more lengthening, and I cut them in half first because I only like it on half of my eye. I think it's more natural like that and blends better. So let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is some black eyeliner and kind of just line the middle of my eye. And put some mascara on, let it dry. The reason I only line the middle of my eye, I don't really want eyeliner. It's just to help blend the lashes. Same with the mascara, helps blend the lashes, make them look a little more natural, a little more snatchral. Okay, it's all fixed. So now I'm grabbing the lash, and you want to peel off the glue that's like already on it, the adhesive, to make it stick to the little plastic in the packaging. And then I have my little tiny eyebrow scissors, and I'll cut them in half because we're going for that kind of look today. The lash is cut in half, it's just a little tiny now, and I'm gonna put the lash glue on the band. I'll wait for it to dry like 15 seconds so the glue can get tacky and it'll stay on the eye better. An easier way to get the lash on your eye is to hold your mirror down and look down. Just makes it easier to get it closer to the lash. If you have an edge that's really stubborn and not attaching, I would just hold it. For like 10 seconds, and it usually just sticks. Okay, here's the final result of the lashes. All I did was curl them to help blend the fake lashes with the real lashes, and that's my last tip for you. Thank you so much for watching my first YouTube video. Hope you learned something, and try lashes out if you haven't already. Bye!